If loving you is wrong, then I don't want to be right, because yes indeed, queens and queens sitting on top of the world, because yes indeed, it is time for the mamacitas to rise, baby. So yes indeed, Barbara, love you, appreciate you. You know what day it is, because yes indeed, I got those unique jams cranking, and we are live from Islam, Lahore, Pakistan. Yes indeed, it may be 45 degrees, but you can't go yes, indeed. It's a Tyler Tuesday celebration. All about the romance, all about the fun pleasure, all about the good uniqueness of the family community. Baby, Deborah Dory, how you do today? Mama sisters, yes indeed. It can't be a better day than Teller Tuesday. Yes, I love you all. And you know, Elsa always by her papa's side, because she's shining just like all of our family community in the spotlight. Nowhere to be. This is the best TV show going today, Barbara. Always good to see you. Love you. Appreciate you. Keep picking that poetry out, because you set off the hopeless road. Make it in me. I tell it to you. Bad. Oh, don't have a wonderful day. Because as long as the revolution is underway, as long as every true North Original family community, I feel like I'm sitting on top of the world, baby, with all of you. Because it's a good feeling to have this optimism, this hope, and this belief. London, England, Islamabad, Lahore, Pakistan, baby. So take care of each other. Have a wonderful, beautiful afternoon or good evening. No matter where you're at in this world, you always got a friend in me. Take care. And I love you all. Sammy-san, Deborah, thank you. Love ya. You know, it's all about you. Rise up. Shine up, brothers and sisters. Take care of each other. Love ya.